Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy POV. Um, it's your boy POV speaking, and currently the time it's what's the time? So currently the time it's 21 past 12, and it's a brand new week. It's a brand new week. To all my traders out there, I hope you guys are ready for the markets today. I mean, just not only today, but also this week. Hope you guys are ready. So I woke up just now, guys. I woke up just now. Actually, I never slept. I just switched on my light and I decided to make this video with you guys. And so the purpose of this video, I'll be breaking down the charts with you guys. Preparing for this week. We'll be preparing for this week, guys. As I'm looking at the charts right now, I'm only going through like previous trades as I'm looking at the screen right now, and also those trades on NASDAQ from last week. I'm still holding the trades, guys. I'm waiting for 1 o'clock so I can close these trades, because by then I would have passed the challenge. Currently equity is sitting on 9.4%, so yeah, I'm only left with like $600 to pass the challenge, which is the 10% target that they've requested. So let's not make this video too long, guys. Let's jump into the charts. So guys, currently I'm looking at NASDAQ. You guys know that I'm a NASDAQ trader. I like trading NASDAQ because I understand it much more better. Besides understanding it much more better, I've been trading NASDAQ for the past 8 years. So yeah, why not NASDAQ? So last week, guys, what was the date? Let's go on my calendar. Right, last week Monday, it was the 10th. Last week I wasn't so much active on the charts. I wasn't active on the charts, guys, on the 10th. Yeah, so I think the 10th was here. Yeah, this was my last trade, and this was CPI. So not CPI, NFP. So this was NFP. This whole movement here, it was NFP. And Monday, price just started buying strong to the upside the whole day, and came back again on Tuesday, then bought again on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, CPI was a sell. Yeah, we can see that candle there was a sell. And after CPI, price started pushing up again and started pushing up. Thursday came, and then I started trading on Thursday, guys. I traded on Thursday. My entry on Thursday, it was around about those areas here, this breakout here on Thursday, right? Yeah, this was Thursday. My stop loss was just below those areas here. So yeah, and then currently these are the trades that I'm holding, guys. These are the trades that I'm currently holding. And once we hit Once price comes there, our take profit, or we would have already passed our challenge. Yeah, by then we would have already passed our challenge. So hence I'm saying I'm waiting for 1 o'clock to arrive so that I can close my positions, guys. So once I close these positions, obviously I would have passed my phase one challenge. What funded next? It's been a journey. I don't wanna lie. It's been a journey from here. It's been a journey from the 3rd of February, or I can say from the 31st of January. This thing, it's been a journey. I've started this account on the 3rd of February. Yeah, we started the account on the 3rd of February morning. And yeah, ever since it's just been we've just been capitalizing, taking a trade after another trade. So it took us like I remember I had a trade here: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah. It took us it took me 7 trades to complete phase one, to give them their 10%. It took me 7 trades. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It took me 7 trades, guys, to complete this challenge. Well, that's if when 1 o'clock arrives, this thing will shoot up so that I can reach their 10%, you know. You all guys know that we are currently in profit holding some trades, right? I'm up 3%. I'm holding a young 3% right now. I'm holding a young 3%. So hopefully when the market opens on Monday, the 3% will be like 4% so that I can pass the whole challenge. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's the trades that I'm currently holding right now. So for this week, guys, I think it's quite clear. It's quite clear that I'm looking for the price to push to the upside. So let's break it down, guys, for this week. For this week, we're breaking it down. So I'd like to cancel some of the analysis, some of this analysis here, some of these trades here, because we are stepping into a new week. So we want new analysis, fresh analysis. Matter of fact, let me analyze. Let me delete everything. Yeah, let me delete everything. So we start our day, our analysis on with the top down, on a daily time frame, top down analysis. Let's do it. So y'all guys, do you guys really understand why am I saying I'm still looking for price NASDAQ to push to the upside, breaking the highest high, creating more higher prices, you know? So here's what I'm looking for, guys, or here's what I'm looking at right now. Price, y'all guys know that price moves in this structure, right? Impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction until we break the highest high. So let me do this. Sorry, guys. Let's just start our analysis so we get straight to the point. So I always start my analysis on a daily time frame by highlighting my trend on a daily time frame, and also I'll also highlight my levels of support and resistance. Right, I'll be highlighting my levels of support and resistance, and yeah, let's see what do we have, guys. Let's see what do we have here. Our levels of support and resistance. There we go. We have them. We also have our resistance right there. All right. So yeah. So on a daily time frame, guys, we don't do much on daily time frame. We're only looking for market structure. How's the market structure looking? So currently, market structure it's looking healthy. I won't lie. This is a healthy market. This is a healthy market. Phase two is going to be easy for us to pass once we pass our phase one. So yeah, on daily time frame, I'm just highlighting market structure and general things, the things that I see by eye, things that I see by eye. It already broke this guy here. Friday, Thursday broke it. Friday, attempting to break the highest high, obviously. So Monday, I'm expecting for price to push to the upside. Right now, in 30 minutes, when the price opens, when the market opens, I'm expecting for this thing to push straight to the upside. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Let me go on a 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame. So yeah, 4 hour time frame. Okay. So if you all guys remember on the other video, the 2 weeks ago video, 2 weeks ago I showed you guys that price broke outside of this descending channel, broke outside, came back and retest, coming back to take more buyers on this areas here. It pushed and still came back again on Monday, coming back to take more buyers, I can say. But again, if we zoom in and open up our charts, guys, you can see that this is a formation of a double bottom. Yeah, I'm told. This is a formation of a double bottom. Double bottom, first bottom, and then second bottom, we push to the upside. Then we just keep on retesting. So now it broke our neckline. There's resistance here. There's resistance here. We've been wanting for this resistance to break for like a week or two, until last week, Thursday, it broke it, and then Friday it just retested, and now it continuing to the upside. So that's why I'm saying, guys, for this week's market, I'm very much bullish on the price. I'm very much bullish. My target price on NASDAQ for this week, I'm saying the 23,000 levels. I wouldn't be surprised to see price closing on those levels: 23,000, 24,000, and also 25,000, probably by the end of this month. And yeah, 24,000 price by the end of this month. I'm not predicting, I'm just like, all of these predictions, they're based on calculations. It's not like pure prediction. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I'm still here to update you guys based on this analysis. So let's avoid making this video too long, guys. And it's very late at night, and I hope you guys have a profitable week this week. To all the traders out there who will be trading Nasdaq, and yeah, I hope you guys chow from this one. I hope you guys chow from this one. So, without any further ado, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and let me know how you feel about the content that I'm sharing with you guys. And yeah, let me know what next video do you guys want me to do. So yeah, thank you.